In this video I'm going to show you how to change video quality on iPhone camera. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up the settings and now here scroll down until you find camera right there. And now here hit on record video. Now there you can change the quality of recorded video on camera from 720p to 4K at 60 fps, and a minute of video will be approximately from 14 megabytes at 720p to 400 megabytes with 4K. It's about 10 times different between that and that options. So now there you can change that option to any quality that you want. I can change it to 4K at 30 fps, and that's all about how to change video quality on your iPhone camera. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.